this video I'm going to show you how to make some Greek letter bingo cards using a program called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen of the program. I click Create New Bingo Card Project. I'm now ready to start creating my bingo card. I choose how do I want them to start. I can start with a blank, I can start with the alphabet, that's the English alphabet, ABC and so on. Choose numbers. I can do this for different subjects: art, English, events, food, geography, history and so on. If I look under languages, that's where I'll find the non-English languages. And I've got French, some German options, and if I scroll down there are some Greek options. I've got the Greek letter names, the word alphabet, and I've also got the symbols and the different combinations like a pair, uppercase alpha and a lowercase alpha, and so on. So we'll choose that one, upper and lowercase together. Simply highlight it. I can either double click or click it and click OK. This window they're shown in the English alphabet, and these are in the Greek alphabet, because the reason that works is that the font that's selected is the Greek alphabet font, which if I go into font, it's actually, you'll see the choice of fonts here. Squares font is a symbol font, which is basically the letters are, the English letters are transposed into Greek letters in the symbol font. So that's how it was created. I'll cancel that. I could also change the heading and so on to also be in Greek alphabet. I can add and delete items, but since the Greek alphabet is already all there, I don't actually need to do that. I can change the bingo card size as well if I want. I can make a smaller bingo card, a 4x4 bingo card, for example, or a 3x3. If I make a 6x6, there aren't actually going to be enough items to fill out the card, so we'll stick to 5x5. I can turn on and off the heading, and if I want, I could change the word of the word at the heading there. I can change the word bingo to something else, but I'll leave that. I can turn on and off the special free space square, and I can change the text in it. As there are only 24 letters in the Greek alphabet, if I turn it off, I won't have enough items to fill a 5x5 bingo card. I'll have to go to a 4x4. So I'll leave 5x5 and free space. Okay, I also have the option to print a call list. That's basically these items in a random order for use by the bingo caller. It saves having to pull items out of the hat. It's very useful if you're using these cards in a school or teaching environment. The program does have an option to generate random items on the fly when you're playing the game, which I'll show you at the end of this video. But it's a very useful option to have that call list for teaching environments and so on. Choose how many bingo cards do I want to print per page. Obviously, if I choose more bingo cards per page, each individual bingo card will be smaller, but I'll be able to save paper if I'm printing a lot of bingo cards. I might have to cut the paper up to give one bingo card to each student, but I'd use less paper in total if I had, say, 4 bingo cards per page rather than 1. And I can choose how many different bingo cards I want to print. I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, 1,000, up to 9,999, and every bingo card will contain a different combination of the items, in this case the Greek letters. So as an example, let's put in 25. I am now ready to print. I will instead do print preview, and you'll see first of all the first page here is the call list. That is the Greek letters in random order. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole page, and then I'll do next page, and there's my first bingo card here, and if I do next page, you'll see it's got a different layout of the Greek letters, and the next page is different, and the next page is different, and so on. So that's how you create Greek letter bingo cards using this program, Bingo Card Printer, from bingocardprinter.com. As I say, there's also an option for generating items on the fly when you're playing the game rather than using a call list. If I use this play option, call game, it shows me the first Greek letter here, and then I'll press next, and it'll give me the next one, and the next one, and so on. It's picking them in random order. And that's basically it. If you go to bingocardprinter.com, you can download a free trial version of the program, try it out, see how you like it, and if you like it, upgrade to the full version. If you go to bingocardprinter.com, I think you will like it. So thank you very much. That's it. bingocardprinter.com. Go to the website, download it, try it out. Works on pretty much all recent versions of Windows. In fact, all recent versions of Windows. Thanks very much.